Hi everyone, so it's very important for me to show you here what's the prototype 1 and what's the prototype 2 that's almost for manufacturing. Actually, it is ready for injection molding, only this is a 3D printed version. In this case here we have one prototype, that's the number 1. So this number 1 prototype, it's completely simple. We're testing the mechanism, we have some bearings, the wheel and so on. And here we have a complete enclosure of the complete model that is ready for prototyping. Only in this case, it's also going to be testing with 3D printing option. So let me show you. First, what we did is prototype number 1, we tested the mechanism. So we created everything to fit the watch, and then we tested the mechanism. We make sure everything is working, the wheel is turning, and so on. We did the same thing for the other version, different watch. So this one is ready for the production. This one is the next one. So here you can see, probably much better, how the scroll is moving. Yep. That's the idea. Put this on the side. And then we made the enclosure. So enclosure, when we close it, that's how it's going to look like. Again, keep in mind, this is still 3D printing, still low quality version. Next step is the injection molding, which I'm going to update you after we complete. So now we take the watch from here, put this aside. We close the enclosure. Okay. We put the screws back in. As you can see, we have a scroll here. And now, from the back of it, we're going to take the watch and insert the watch right there. And then we're going to close it. Okay? And now here in the middle, we're going to put this screw. And we're going to put a cap on top. That's it. So, from this version to this version.